SNAPP is the sleek and discreet screening solution that adapts to almost any shape or size opening or screening situation. No caps, no covers, no expanders, no adapters, no corners, nothing extra is needed. You'll save time, money, and labor using SNAPP. This single half-inch extrusion solves almost every screening problem. While the obvious application for SNAPP is residential screen porches or patios, SNAPP has been successfully used in a wide range of projects from hotels and restaurants to zoos, boats, RVs, and more. SNAPP can be used in squares, triangles, rectangles, arches. Basically, if you can install this extrusion, you can screen the opening. SNAPP adapts to the application. Your openings don't need to be square, plumb, or level. SNAPP can be installed on the interior, the exterior, around the opening, inside the opening, but miter corners, butt corners, or a combination of all of these features. SNAPP is ambidextrous, it's bidirectional, and the extrusions can be butted together for longer runs. SNAPP is available in heavy-duty extruded aluminum and extruded PVC. Don't be fooled by PVC. It's strong, durable, great for coastal applications, and flexible for arches. Try this with any of our competitors' products. Best of all, SNAPP is 100% made United States. Click on the installation link to review installation practices. If you'd like a sample or have questions, email us. And when you're ready to order, click on the purchase link and you'll jump over to our web store. All items are in stock and we ship worldwide.